welcome back. This is TJ, and today is the first of many devlogs for a small submarine game that I'm planning on making and sharing the progress with the community. The game is called Subby right now. It's not the most creative title, but it's going to get the point across. You're a little submarine that gets dropped on the moon Europa, and the whole point of the game is you're exploring the oceans, collecting the life, bringing it back up to the surface, exchanging the whatever creatures you find for money, upgrading your submarine, and trying to make it to the bottom of the ocean. It's a nice, simple game, and I'm hoping to get it out the door quickly. And I thought I'd take the community along for the ride. The original concept for this game I came up with back in 2015. I was sitting in my physics class and we were talking about water pressure, and submarine popped in my head, and I kind of came home and planned it out. Uh, the game this is kind of a spiritual successor to, however, is an old Flash game called Motherload. It's by XGen Studios. I'll drop a link down in the description below where you can go and check it out. Might put a long play video on YouTube that shows actual gameplay if I can't find it. But the whole concept of that game was you're basically a little tank with a drill on the front, and you get to explore the subsurface of Mars, collecting minerals, jewels, whatever, and trying to make it down as far as you can go, basically until you hit the core. And I had a ton of fun playing that game as a kid, and it popped into my head when I thought submarines. So that's kind of the concept of the game. This is kind of an initial devlog for the game, and the next one will actually get started doing some coding and bringing in old code that I have from another project, making sure that library stays synced and everything works, and we'll go from there and see how far we can get with development. I'm planning on releasing this game for mobile and maybe PC. It's not going to be anything super fancy, but I'd rather have a game out there than no games out there. So if the community has any ideas for, say, life or features to add into the game, if it's simple and within scope, I might try and add it in. I'm not the best artist, so if anyone wants to work on some pixel art for the game, let me know. Other than that, I think that should wrap up this devlog. And in the meantime, stay tuned. Like, subscribe if you want to keep following the series. And we'll go from there. Until the next one, TJ out.